Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we have a Nintendo Switch Lite here. Listing says that this one has no power, does not charge. I've put the port under the microscope. As a matter of fact, we'll do that now. Take a look at it. And it doesn't appear to be, from what I can tell, it doesn't look bad at first. Of course, we'll get a better look at it when we open it up, but it doesn't look bad. That port looks pretty good on the side here. Not that bad at least, but it doesn't turn on. I am going to plug my amp meter into it just to see what it looks like. If it give us any signal. Let's try. And then no, nothing. All zeros in the amp meter. Nothing. Alright. Let's open it up and take a look from the inside. This one is super clean on the inside. Nothing in there. No dust. Nothing. Super clean. Almost too clean. But let's take a look. Okay. Not bad in here. Looks really clean, like I mentioned. I don't think this has been opened at all. I think this is the first time it's been opened. Let's take a look, quick visual inspection at the port itself, at the pins on the port, and let's just take a look, see if there's anything awry down there. Maybe some loose pins. I don't know, it looks pretty good. Doesn't look bad. Looks like something to poke that with. Look, there's resin. See for sure. Blocked. Oh, that loose pin? Yep. One pin can be loose like that. I don't know if they're all loose, but at any rate, at least one loose pin. I'm going to change the port. We'll put the board out. We'll check the we'll check M92 on the back. See if it's shorted out. And then swap that port out and see if that fixes it. Alright, the board is out, and other than me cleaning off the thermal paste from here, because if I don't, I'll eventually get it on my fingers, the board is really clean. Looks really good. No dust or anything. Looks really good. We're going to get it under the microscope, and we'll, on the back side here, we'll check some of the caps around M92 and the B6, and see if we got any shorts around there. And if not, we'll just replace the port. Alright, I'm in beat mode. Out the audio now. There we go. I am in beat mode. But for sure, there shouldn't be anything here. It should be here. And you do. Good. Okay, that actually looks good. Go down to this chip here. Good. Alright, that looks good around there. So I think I'm just going to start with our port. So let me that little tiny fuse. Yep. Cool. Perfect. I'm gonna swap this port out. Go from there. Okay, I'm gonna add a little flux here. I'm not going to put any low melt solder on here or anything. I'm just going to heat this thing up from the bottom and pull it off. Wait for the solder to wet, and then I'll pull it right off. Here we go. I'll make sure it's good to go. There we go. Good to go. Perfect. You see we've melted the port. It's fine, I'm not worried about that. It's off. Easy peasy. Go ahead and clean it up. There's plastic in the port. Just like the downside of heating the port up is possibly melting plastic onto the board. Oh well. Add a little flux here. I'm gonna try something here. Never tried before. Got one of these shoulder suckers. Hopefully it does a trick. We'll see. I'm gonna heat this up again. See if this actually works. I don't know if it's gonna work, honestly. This is my first time using this. Here goes. Ouch. Ah, that worked. Beware, hot air is hot. Get wet on this side as well. Some hot down here. Okay, here it goes. Huh. Unbelievable. Try this again. Here we go. Wow, I am actually amazed. Alright. Well, I guess we can do that one little one. Let's go. Wow. I am amazed. No idea that would be so useful. Alright, let's clean off the rest of this though. This emerald solder off of here. Start turning it. There we go. Let's go ahead and get this cleaned up a little bit. Cotton swab, a Q-tip, and some alcohol. Okay, I'm ready to start tinning this thing. I've cleaned it up, and I'm going to add some leaded solder back on. To the pads, as well as to the ground points, to the anchor holes. Put some flux on here first. Flux helps the solder flow. More the merrier, in my opinion. Alright. Let's go. I'm going to turn it to make it a little bit easier on myself, because that's just the right thing to do. I don't think I have any Nintendo Switch Lite ports. I'm just going to put a regular Nintendo Switch port on here, and it'll be fine. I'll just have to cut it later because it's a little bit longer than it needs to be. Let me double check that I don't have any light ports though. I don't think I do. It'd be nice if I did, but I don't think I do. If I don't, well, we're going to put a regular Nintendo Switch USB-C port on here, and not a Switch Lite port, which would have been a lot easier. Well, saved a little bit of time. See the size difference in these two things compared side by side. You can see that the standard Switch port, this one here, is longer than the regular Switch. Just the Switch Lite port here. It's about 1/8 of an inch, maybe a little bit less. The pins are the same. The pins will line up. So I'm going to put it on. Same way I took it off. We'll heat it up. Wait for the solder to get wet. Drop it right on. And here we go. Wish me luck. I think we're there. I'm gonna go ahead and go for it. Okay. Okay. All right, and that's it. Let's check it. Wait for it to cool down at least. And we'll take a look at it. Yeah, we did. Hopefully we're okay, but I don't know. We'll find out here. Mm-hmm. 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 Maybe not. A little soft, but we can take care of that. Okay, could be good. Check it again. All right, all good. Let's clean it up. Okay. I think we're good. I'm gonna plug my amp meter in here just to see if we get any readings on here. Just to make sure. Oh, wait, I think I need a new amp meter as well. Let's plug this in. We are 0.02. I'm getting something. 0.03. Feels good. Let me flip it over. Check the other side. Alright, we're getting a reading here as well. Yep. I think we're ready to plug it in. We'll put it back in the case and see if we actually get the picture on the screen. Let's see if we fixed it. Okay. The moment of truth. Did I fix it? With a port replacement. Is it going to charge? Let's find out. And yay! There is a charge light right there. It is charging. Right there. This switch is fixed with a port replacement. See, we're getting yep, 1.7 watts, 14 volts. 0.11 amps. Perfect. Well, that's good enough, I guess. And it's charging. That's a good sign. I'm going to pull this out, flip it, and check it on this side. Make sure it's working both ways. Yes, it is. Here we go. Yes. Perfect. Flip it over and still charging. Yes, we are. All right. Let's just let this thing charge for a while. I will, after it charges up, I'll make sure that it's, we get to the screen and it's working, and then I'll cut off that port, or trim it, I should say, so it fits in the case, and then we'll go from there, up to 46. Alright, just to wrap this one up here, it's back together. I got the port to fit in there. I've cleaned it up. It's super clean. This one here is a really good deal. It'll sell well, I think. I'm going to factory reset this thing. I turned it on once earlier and there's no child lock on this thing, so I won't have to pay to get it unlocked. It's like 50 cents at Nintendo, but at any rate, I'm going to enter safe mode, I guess, by holding down the power button and the volume buttons, and then we'll go down to initialize console, and then I will hit continue, and it's like, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. We're gonna hit continue again one more time. We're initializing. Alright. That's it. Got a console working again. We'll put it back on the market, and then we'll move on to the next project, which is not this PlayStation 5, but I do have another one to work on, as well as an Xbox One S. But I think these are HDMI port. Alright. Thanks for joining. See you guys in the next one.